Adding yourself as an authorized user to a family member's card can help inherit that reporting history. An authorized user is someone who has permission to make purchases using your credit card account but is not legally responsible for paying the debt. Adding someone as an authorized user to your account can help them establish a credit history and improve their credit history. Being added to someone else's credit card account is most likely to help those with a short credit history, but the effect is limited and other strategies may help more. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account is a strategy for improving credit quickly. It works best if the primary user's card has a long record of on-time payments and the authorized user does not have recent blemishes on their credit report.